Okay, continue the recipe. Put the oil in on the pot and addition the middle dollar, no more. And is a middle, no more. Okay, continue the prepare. Um, you spread this dollop and addition. Okay, continue. In addition, is slide slide cheese, slide ham. Okay, continue. Put it on the slide cheese and then a slide jam. How many? No, it is no, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you want? Okay, continue the prepare. And you put a slide jam. How many? What do you want? Okay, look at this. This is the the first the first the first. Okay, continue the prepare. It is the ingredients for the first level or the first part, and then you addition the next mixed on this and cover the rest ingredients. Okay, look at this. Look at. Cover all ingredients with a good spoon. Okay, continue to prepare. When the all ingredients are mixed, you wait for 5 minutes and continue to prepare. The finally time you toast the potato omelet is very fast. Continue to prepare. When you toast the mixed, you wait for 5 minutes more, and then you put on the plate and cut in the pieces for, do you want 3, 4, 5? I don't know. This is for your thinking and your invitated. This is my recipe, and then you serve it and bye bye. Have a nice day. And then you can eat and love it. Okay, bye bye.